Hey everybody, 11:50, 37 seconds, March 21st. This is now the main drawing for Spider-Man's 121 8.5 grade and 194 9.0. Over here are the 43 filled spots. Okay. Whoever comes in first place will get the 121. Whoever comes in second place will get the 194. They will mail tomorrow, Friday the 22nd. So let's roll our 3 dice. Number is only 6. Best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here comes the final one. 6. Rob Peak takes a complete sweep. He with his mini 1 win, he comes in first, and with his regular pick, he comes in second. So it's a sweep by Rob. Congratulations. Time is 11:51 and 37 seconds.